I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make fish by clay using an easy method. First, take a small amount of clay, roughly 2 inches across, and roll it into a smooth ball. Then, gently shape this ball into an oval, which will become the main body of your fish. Next, carefully pinch one end of the oval to create a distinct, pointed tail. This simple step forms the basic silhouette of your aquatic friend, setting the stage for more details. Now let's add some character to your fish. Take 2 small, flat pieces of clay, each about 1 inch long, and attach them to the sides as pectoral fins. For the dorsal fin, use a slightly larger, flattened piece and place it on top. Then, grab a toothpick or a similar tool. Gently press 2 small circles for the eyes and a curved line for the mouth. These details truly bring your clay fish to life, giving it a friendly expression. To give your fish a realistic touch, let's add some texture. Using the dull end of a pencil or a similar tool, gently press overlapping half circles onto the body to create a scale pattern. You can also add 2 very thin, short strips of clay, about 1/2 inch long, just behind the head to represent gills. Remember to smooth out any rough spots with your finger, ensuring your fish looks neat and well crafted before the final step. Finally, it's time to bring vibrant color to your creation. If you used air-dry clay, let it dry completely for at least 24 hours. Once dry, you can paint your fish with acrylic paints, adding bright hues and patterns. If you used oven-baked clay, follow the package instructions for baking, usually around 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes per 1/4 inch of thickness. This final step makes your beautiful clay fish permanent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.